Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics ready. Update your Ps4 system software and sign in with the account that will host Shareplay. Once done, make sure the guest device or friend is signed into their PSN account too. Start a party from the Ps4, choose Create Party, invite the friend you want to Shareplay with, and start a voice chat. This first action opens the session channel Shareplay requires. Without a party, the option won't appear. Proceed when your voice connection is live. Once your party is active, open the party menu and select Shareplay. You'll see two main choices: play a game or give controller. Select based on whether you want them to watch, play local co-op, or take control. Next, pick the session duration. Shareplay runs in roughly 50-minute blocks, so prepare to restart after a block if needed. Confirm you want to start and wait for the connection to establish. Lower network load helps. If the host's NAT or upload is poor, performance will drop, so check that first. To finish, end Shareplay from the party menu when you're done, or let the session expire and restart for another block. If the guest loses control or sees lag, check NAT type, open or moderate works best, and confirm the host has enough upload bandwidth. Wired Ethernet beats Wi-Fi. If problems persist, restart both Ps4s and the router, rejoin the party, and start Shareplay again. One key tip: switch to the host's primary account and confirm system updates. That resolves most connection refusals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.